Hi everyone, my name is Batey. I'm a registered dietitian and the program coordinator for the Food is Health Alliance at the University of Kentucky. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a strawberry chocolate trifle that feels incredibly fancy but comes together in less than 5 minutes. So here I've got a couple of slices of store-bought pound cake, and I'm just gonna use a biscuit cutter to cut out a little round. Now I'm using this because the glass that I'm using is round. You wouldn't have to use this. You could really build this on a plate or whatever you wanted. And you wouldn't have to use pound cake either. I think angel food cake would be really good in this, or even just a classic vanilla cake. So next, because I love chocolate, I am just using a chocolate pudding cup. You could use really any flavor of pudding that you wanted to. This is more just about making those sweet, soft layers than it is about any particular flavor. So I've got a layer of chocolate. Now I'm gonna add a layer of fresh strawberries that I sliced up. You could use any berries that you wanted to, or really any fruit that you wanted to. I think raspberries would be really good in this, or banana would also be excellent with the chocolate. All right, got a layer of strawberries. Now I am going to do one more layer of my pound cake. If it doesn't fit perfectly, that's okay. Make it fit. Okay, now we're gonna use up the last of our pudding cup. You could make this in a mug, in a bowl, really whatever you wanted to do. Give that little stir. I'm gonna use a few more strawberries. And I want to save just a few strawberries because I'm going to put some on top. So, last but not least, I have some whipped cream here. If I can get it to come out, I have whipped cream. There we go. So that's my last layer, just a little bit of whipped cream, except I do want to put a few strawberries on top. So I'm gonna just top it with the last of my strawberries. And in less than 5 minutes, there you have it. A chocolate strawberry trifle that feels absolutely decadent, but as you just saw, comes together in a flash.